Hey, hey, hey! How is everyone? Welcome, welcome. This is Joni with Weathered Wings, and I just always hope to encourage you and inspire you to create something pretty. You can do it. You can be creative. You can do all the things. I promise, I promise. All right, so today I want to use the new Desperado transfer, okay? So, I'm not gonna lie. This is one when I first saw it, I was like, I don't know about this. But y'all, it's really good. It's really got some good stuff on it. So let me just let's just show it to you real quick. So it comes with 8 sheets, okay? So if you look at it this way, you get 2 sheets with the skull. So you can make 2 individual things or one big thing. You've got these decorative trim pieces. Look at the flowers. Okay, I love the black and white flowers. Love that. But today, let's go down. I want to use the skulls, and I want to use some of the trim. So here we go again. So here's one piece, so you see how big they are, right? All right, here are those flowers, which I love. I'm going to think about those. I may want to incorporate that. I know I want to use this one and this one. All right, so y'all, I went ahead and did a board. I have this board. it was something I had a Christmas thing on. So I'm repurposing it, okay? It's a piece of blonde wood. It's like a 1/2 inch thick. Of course, I'm repurposing it because y'all know how expensive wood is now. I just blended a little bit of paint on here. I don't even know if y'all can really see. I can't see because of the light, but it's kind of a turquoisey green with some cream, and I got a little orange in there. I just wanted a little bit of color on here. So this is going to be easy though, y'all. I want to show you what an easy project. Okay, let me scoot over. My camera's backwards. So I'm just going to take this off. It comes with a white backing. All right. So again, this is painted. It's not sealed yet. Okay, so I'm going to put it. All right, here we go. We're just going to start. Okay, so y'all know this drill, right? We'll see if I can catch one of those little waves. Really cool. I think I like putting this skull on 2 separate pieces and then hanging them as one. It looks great on a piece of furniture. Now, I don't know what kind of paint you guys use. I'm using DIY paint, and so I'm just used to it drying really well. And it's been dry for a little while now. I painted it this morning. And so don't try this right after you have painted your piece, and even if it's dry to the touch. It needs to be dry or sealed. It does better if it's sealed, okay, with a polyacrylic. And so with that, I like to use DIY's Big Top right here, the Big Top. Or, gosh, you can use anything. I love Paint Couture's satin. And then we also have liquid patina. DIY's liquid patina, which is a great top coat. It doesn't have the sheen as Big Top. Big Top's probably a little more sturdier. You can use it like you can use the liquid patina like a decoupage medium. I love the black and white flowers, probably the very most, because y'all know my favorite transfer is Astoria, which is retired. And I do have a couple left, so if y'all are wanting to get that, I think I bought all that IOD had left. And of course I love this script because my favorite stamp is the kindest regards. And so here you have this script, and it's awesome. Now, you don't scratch your wood when you do this, but you could actually put a divot in the wood, especially if your paint is not dry. So I do recommend getting your paint good and dry and then sealing it and then doing your transfer. I just know I'm comfortable with my paint, right? I just, you know, I've used it so many times where I know that if I know how long it takes to dry, and so I'm okay with not sealing it, I guess is what I'm trying to say. All right, I'm sorry, y'all. I know this takes a hot minute, but it's worth it. It's not hard. It's worth it. Peace. Okay, now, that looks great, and it looks pretty straight. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. Now, I'm actually going to do this first. Let me just put that over there, show you what we got so far. Okay, so now the Wander, I just love this for things like this. So there's so many. Now there's one, but that I thought might look good that I had a scrap for, but it may be too cut up. Oh, that's that. I don't know what that is, but it's too scrappy. Too scrappy. So see, you can take some of these colored pieces and that wasn't cut out, or you could just add another little flower on top of that, or I could just grab a good one. So, all right, but let me finish up the whole thing first. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna go with this at the bottom. Now, the kicker with this is it doesn't go completely across. So I could either put it on the end like this and then add a little bit of another, we have 2 sheets of this. Or I could, it's always best to put something like this in the middle. Right? So then your 2 end pieces will be the same. It's better to have 2 half of a diamonds per se than like 1 whole diamond and then you got, it ends in a half diamond or whatever these are, little doodahs. So if I put it, burnishing it down. A lot of people will take their paper and kind of do this. I like to just, you know, I like to feel it with my hand. Yeah, it's not a straight line, so, okay. What else? I'm going to add something at the top. I think I just want to add Alright, so I'm putting Ooh. I'm gonna have to turn it over, y'all, because I can't see with that light. Alright, let's see. so here's Wander. Let's see. So here's all these colors, all these pretty flowers. Here's the one I had that had a piece cut out for some reason. Really love that. And I like that this is kind of trimmed. Can y'all see? I like that this is kind of outlined in black. So I kind of like that. All right, so nobody gasp. I'm cutting it out. So I always just cut what I think I might like, and then you can cut off what you don't want. All right, so let's see what we have here. Okay, I don't like this, don't like this, don't like this. All right, let me turn it around so I can get a better perspective. Okay. So you can always put this little piece that looks a little funky. You could just kind of put it like that because it looks like it's cut, you know, kind of funky anyway. I kind of wanted it like this. The leaves. I wanted the leaves like this. So I want to find something that'll kind of, I can go right there too, right? All right, so I want this. I totally forgot. This is a brand new pad, and I was thinking I had cut that myself, but no. So I like. See, that just looks good there to me. I'm going with that. On there. Yeah, that daisy was. Yes, I like this. Okay. Put this little piece. So some of the sheets that you get, you know, you have to piece them together because they cut them in just the right size. This is a process, y'all. You cannot rush goodness. Full of leaves. Well, I think I'm going to go with this. That. So you can layer stuff on top of each other. I was determined to get this orange in here, I guess because I had a little bit of orange paint in here. And I'm just going to let it go over the side. Well, I was going to say you can keep going. There's these little bitty flowers, so don't be surprised if when I post a picture, it's got something else on. But I think I love it. Okay. All right, so what do y'all think? Okay, I think I love it. So now all I would do, y'all, is just take my, yeah, I love it. I'm going to take just a little sponge brush. And I'm going to use Big Top and just seal it. So this is going to seal my paint. Let's see, I think I'm going to use a bigger one if I can get it down in there. Yeah. Y'all see what I'm doing here? I've got my Big Top. And I'm just going to seal it. This paint will be a little bit brighter, because DIY paint dries lighter. And so I've gotten where I like to use these little sponge brushes to seal it with the polyacrylic, just because, you know, they wash out better. They wash out better. And if I forget, which, you know, I hardly ever forget to wash my brushes. But if I do, I'm kidding y'all, I forget all the time. Then this is a lot cheaper just to throw away. All right, now, all you have to do now is just let that dry, and I've got one of these. I thought I had one laying right here. Thank you. Now, I love these little claw hooks. You can get those at Amazon. And so now I will just hammer this in the back, and it will be ready to hang up. Okay, it'll be ready to hang up. I think we got him finished. that was a process. But no, I love this. I love this. All right, let me hold it up. So even holding it up like this, I see. You know, you could put another little piece on the top. But I don't know. Okay, let me get it out of the light. So I'm gonna go, y'all. Listen, if you have a passion for doing any of this stuff, remember you can check out my Creative Junkies group. We just kind of take our projects to the next level, and you know, we go step by step. I don't leave anybody behind. I give you choices, and we have a lot of fun in the process, okay? So, again, it's Creative Junkies. It's on weatheredwings.com. You can just read it, see if it's for you. If not, no biggie. I'm always here for you, and I will see you. Some of you I'll see you tomorrow, and some I'll see you Friday. All right? See ya. Have a great night. Bye.